iPod Touch, it's all about the multi-touch, this revolutionary multi-touch interface. With a simple tap of a finger, you can go into music, or I can flick through all my artists by using my fingertip. You find an artist that you want to play, just tap on that artist, see what albums they have, songs, and it automatically starts playing. You can tap, see other tracks available, or rate your music by simply sliding your finger across the screen. Tap your list to go back. All your volume control, next track, play, pause is right along the bottom. You can turn your iPod Touch into landscape orientation, where you can flick through all your album artwork with just the fingertip. Your artwork flows across the screen quickly and easily. You find an album you want to see. You want to see what kind of tracks are on this album. Just tap to flip the album art over. You can scroll through the different tracks. Tap to play any track, or just flip it back over and continue scrolling through your music. Also from the home screen, just videos. Your videos are one tap away. I tap videos, I see all my TV shows, all my music videos, video podcasts, just one simple tap away. All you need to do is tap, and iPod Touch automatically starts playing your videos in landscape orientation, all on the 3.5-inch widescreen display. You can tap once to see all your video controls, where you can adjust your volume, next chapter, previous chapter in a video, scrub forward at any point, and you're done. So there's video. We're going to photos. Photos are all the albums that you've synced through iTunes, all those albums you've created, all the pictures that you've taken right at your fingertips. You can scroll through your albums, choose an album with one simple tap, tap a thumbnail, simply flick through all your photos. Landscape orientation as well. Your photos are just seamless as they slide across the screen. You can stop on one photo and use the pinch technology. The multi-touch interface also supports. You can just pinch to zoom in and move around a photo.
That's amazing.
Tap again. You get all your controls if you want to play back your photo album as a slideshow with transitions as well. So one simple tap. You can also use your photos as your wallpaper. You can go zoom in again, move and scale your image, and one tap you can set your wallpaper. So we've got Wi-Fi built in. So using Wi-Fi, you can use the full Safari browser. One simple tap away, Safari. Scroll through your web page. Double tap to zoom in on any element of that web page that you want to see. Use your fingertip to just move through the web page. Double tap again to move out. All your bookmarks are synced through iTunes. You can also load multiple pages at a time and just simply flick through the different pages and move to a page that you want to load. You can also add a new page as well. So I want to go back. I want to add a new web page. It's got a built-in full keyboard. You can go in, use Google or Yahoo search for any website using the keys. Really simple, really easy. And YouTube, the #1 video online community, one simple tap away where you can search millions and millions of videos, or check them out by featured, most viewed, all the bookmarks. You can save your favorite videos using bookmarks or search the video community. One tap, you automatically start playing that YouTube video.